How we doing? It's a little chilly outside tonight, so we're gonna go inside and make a Cincinnati style chili dish that is easy, and you can feed a lot of people with it. And also you can take it and make a half a portion of it if you don't have as many people, and it comes out just fine. So when you're done, you can add diced onions, which is kind of traditional. Some people put jalapenos on top, and you can use whatever favorite kind of shredded cheese that you like. So let's go inside and get started.